Hey, what's up, guys? How are you doing? Now we are going to make some translation. Today we are going build Telegram bot using Javascript or Node.js using Telegrafjs library. So let's wait for the listeners, subscribers. One moment, I'll share video to my Telegram groups. So. Look, we need Telegrafjs documentation, we need core Telegram org bots API to look there sometimes when we don't know how to make this. Yes, here is bots API, core Telegram org bots API. Then the next thing is to run our Webstone project. I'll close my project as a project. Then I'll create a new project, name it COVID vaccine. The main idea of the project of the bot is to help other people, to find nearest location where they can take vaccination. This is my goals. Portal where you can find information about state services. Now, they have published the list of vaccination centers, each of them grouped by location, by regions. I'm from Uzbekistan, and Uzbekistan has 30 states. You can get more information in Wikipedia. So I invite you to Uzbekistan. Here is our regions. How should it look like? I will open I'll show you another my bot written by me. We need something like this. When you start this bot, it gives us a choice. We can choose our state and get location. But no, I don't think so. It will be too complicated. Let's make such when we start the bot, we will have start screen with some buttons. Then now I will write which button make which function. Here we will put centers, vaccine centers, list of vaccine centers. Here we will put contacts for getting feedback. Here we will put testing centers. Here we will testing centers. Here vaccination centers. Then we need one more button about COVID. We'll put information about COVID and so on. It is our start screen. If everything is clear, now we will start making our bot. Should say the sponsor of today's translation is sambal drink. It is Tarxun. It is sambal Tarxun. I highly recommend you this drink. It's produced in Kazakhstan and has very tasty taste. Not PHP test. Taste. No taste. Tama alo demoqchiman. Not bad. As I said once. So, what we should do? We have initialized our project. The first thing is we need package file to store our data, package data. I have already installed npm Node.js. So npm init first command will initialize our package file, package.json file. Package name is vaccine centers. first version, entry point index.js, this command we don't have, git repository, then I'll add then. Keywords are, yes, we have created with default values. We have created our project with default values. Now our subscribers say that video quality is too bad. How can I improve this quality? If you know, please let me know. I don't know how to update quality of video. Max resolution. it's disgusting. So let's check the settings of OBS Studio. OBS Studio is used to, now I'll show you which software you can use for translating your videos. It is OBS Studio, but I don't see here any kind of settings. I see that I have poor quality video here, but I don't know how to fix it. You can okay, I'll open the settings. Vishani. What? Bitrate video. Video. Guys, I don't know how to make quality videos for YouTube. Захват display. Wow. Свойства. Maybe it's your poor internet connection, no? Now I will open my podcast in browser in incognito mode to make sure that it's my problem in my software. Oh, it's perfect. It's perfect. I have quality 720 and it's perfect. Mr. Subscriber, please make your internet connection better or change your resolution to something else. Let's check other minute. maybe at the start of video it was bad, but right now I think thank you subscribers. Yes, video is perfect. So where I have stopped, I stopped in initializing my project. To start our bot, we need start command. It will just call Node.js index.js. Not index.src, just the index.js. So we need index.js. Let's check this console log 1, 2, 3, and let's start our project. It works. It written 1, 2, 3, and it works. The first thing we need is .env parsing. .env for JavaScript. It's too popular library. You can install it using this command. Where is my terminal? I open terminal and write down npm install -save -save .env. The next thing I need is Telegrafjs. To install, we need just install telegraph npm install -save telegraph. What we need also, I think it is right now now we will create .env file and put there bot token which helps us to connect to Telegram bot and serve its backend. To get bot token, you need create in bot fuzzer some Telegram bot. Okay, this is bot fuzzer. It helps to create new bots. Here we run command new bot and fuck, how hide this message. Name for our bot, vaccine and there bot in centers bot. So we have some token for this bot. We need this token put here. Right now, when our bot starts, it should load these configs. For this, we need require .env .env. Let's check the documentation of .env. We has data, we has required .env, then we should call config method for this library. Right now we can use this like this process env and some case of from this file. If we write console log process env bot token, now we will it will put down on console the bot token we have entered in env file. Yes, it is working. The next thing is to initialize our bot. For this, we go to Telegraph and just copy first 10 strings. We import the Telegraph. We create Telegraph bot using this token. We have command for bot start. We have command for bot help. We don't need this. We have command when bot receives sticker. We have command when bot gets some message from user. And finally bot launch command, which launches our bot. At the end of, we write how to gracefully stop our bot. We handle gracefully stopping of bot. When our customer starts, we should output some message like welcome. I'll help you find nearest vaccination center. Besides that, we need store user in our database because in further we can send some information about COVID or some news about COVID in our country. That's why we need also database settings too. First of all, we will do sending message. In the next step, we will configure and write code for saving users in database. I remind you that today's our podcast's partner is Sunwell Waters. Sunwell Waters, great for your health. It is produced in Kazakhstan using highest technologies. Have a nice day, guys. So, when you started, it answers welcome. Let's check this. Just run your bot. Open our bot, vaccine centers bot, start, and we will get welcome. I'll help you nearest vaccination center text. The second message should be please send your location. Now if we start again this bot, we should restart this. Now we send, we'll get two messages, and it invites us to send our location. Let's check Telegram API for sending location. Does it have location keyboard? keyboard. How to request location in inline keyboard. Hello, my dear subscribers. Welcome to our podcast. I know tomorrow is work day, but we have, with our big auditory, have today podcast. Every Tuesday we plan make a podcast on some theme. Today's theme is Telegram bots. As you know, I have a little experience on that. I remind you that today's podcast partner is Sunbelt Tarhun Waters. It's produced in Kazakhstan. So buy and drink. If you want, you can write me. I'll put my contacts at the bottom of podcast. You can place an order. I will deliver you this perfect water. Have a nice day, guys. Why you are writing in Uzbek? I don't think it is good idea because I have to make my podcast in English. Yes, at the end of podcast we will make giveaway. Who writes comment at the bottom of this podcast and shares and likes. I will make the list of comments and make some random choice using random work. Then I'll present some waters. Request location keyboard. We should send to user request location keyboard, but I don't know how to do this. Let's find in documentation. Maybe we will find or not find. This search is not working. How to be, guys? How to be request? Where is examples? In examples folder, I'll try to find here how to request location of user. This is test. This is button. Can I invite someone if you want to my podcast, guys? Can't reply, and can I send keyboard to reply with keyboard? Maybe I have method with keyboard. Keyboard. How to send keyboards? Location, missing documentation for markup layout. I see example here. Keyboard. Reply markup dot keyboard. how to implement markup. We should just put here markup, then the second parameter will markup keyboard. It accepts buttons. Button has title and how to add options for this button. Request, location, something like this. No, it failed. Bad request. We can't find field text. Text. And the next option is whoa, yes, we have done this. Here we will send location button. If you push to this button, it will send your location. Yes, the statistics shows that online listeners are only several. It has decreased to 1. Alisher Mukhtarov has left. So next we have a send location button. Also we need some emoji. Location emoji. I'll put here. Let's check one more time. I haven't restarted my bot yet. Now send location. Now I will check this from my phone. Also I need one-time keyboard. Let's check this, guys. We'll restart our bot. Then I'll show you here. You will push start. It wants us to send location. I sent my location. Everything works perfect. Everything works perfect. Now we should handle the location. When we get a location, what we should do? We should answer that location get. Now I will check this one more time. I'll start my bot, send my location, but I don't now get any message about I have got a location from my bot. Oh, location get worked. I forget to restart my bot. Now let's check the documentation of location. Location has longitude and latitude attributes. Location, let's write in this mode, context message, entity, or context entity. Install Node.js. Good idea, but I have forgot how to run with Node.js in debug mode. One moment, will do. Okay. Guys, you can use Node.js when your code changes. The code will restart automatically. For this, you should run npm install -global node-mon. No need for debugger. No need for debugger. Node.js is a good idea, I think. Node.js. Then we start this using debug. It should run. Yes, everything works. Let's start our bot again. I'll send location from my phone. But my phone has some bugs, I think, because yes, we have got location here. Message has data. Maybe data has how to get location from message. Message has location field. I see. It is an instance of location. But why my IDE is not подсказать? Okay. Latitude and longitude. So our code has restarted automatically. Now my location one more time. And it shows that my location is 39, 64, and so on. It is in Bukhara, guys, if you want to know. Shark Burvodnik. Today my dear friend has in his car got me to my home. Thank you very much, Alfer Mukhtarov. Big respects for you. The next thing is we need a list of centers, vaccine centers in here. It will be constant data. It's an array of objects. Each object represents some vaccination center. As you know, vaccination center has some data, phone, name of building, address, like this. Address, name, has phone. I don't know why it uses mobile phone, because 91 is mobile phone of Beeline company. Uzbekistan code starts with +998. So also we need location settings. Will be some latitude and longitude. We can see the address of the map in Yandex Maps. Yandex Maps, our partner too. When you enter the address, it shows its geocoordinates. So where is vaccination center? Oh, it has panoramas. I will copy coordinates, then add some other address to from Andijan. And let's second polyclinica. Let's add second polyclinica and its address. Go to Yandex Maps, add this address, copy the location. Hey. Azizov köşesi. On Azizov. Sidmoy. In Uzbek language it can't find street. Город Andijan. No. Where is Azizov street? Fuck. Maybe Google Maps knows. What's your street? John. Oh, Google don't know anything about Andijan. Yandex don't know too. It's disgusting, guys. Maybe Otabek sketches. Fuck. maybe Yandex knows what the big features. I think Bukhoro is good. Guys, it's too difficult to find the addresses of buildings from Yandex or Google Maps. 155, 300, 91. We need 61, 71. We need 61. 27, 110, 55. Where is 61? Where is 61? I will take this point. These coordinates. The third place we use, I think it will be from Tashkent. Yandex knows Tashkent more well. Tashkent. Royate. Tashkent shahri. Hamal ko'chasi. Hamal ko'chasi 31-uy. If I find this, copy coordinates, and data. Hamal ko'chasi. Link number 3. And phone number. Right. Module exports data. Data. Then we will import data here. Const and require our file. Now when user sends to us location, we'll just reply this centers a string on stringify. Let's check. my mistake. I'll send my location and get all data. Now we should filter this data and show the only one. How to get nearest point from all of that. Now we have centers. They have locations. We will Google Javascript find nearest location. Using longitude from JSON data. Yes, we have JSON data, then we should find here is some good people who answered to this question already. My body says it's time to sleep. Every day this story is Gallocation. This yes guys, dasturchiga ham qiyin. Here is example. I will choose the first method, even if it is not understandable. So we'll create library file. I will do libjs. Distance unit. It means kilometers. I can't find. We don't need units. Our units in metrics. And how we should distance if distance distance okay, we should run over all elements of our array, calculate distance, then if distance less than 100 meters, then we will put it down for user. We don't need this, we don't need this. Our model just module export. So here we iterate over data for each of this data is location. We will calculate distance. Here is require library distance. We'll call distance method of data centers. Distance first is will get user location, then we will pass user location latitude, user location longitude. The next two params are location zero and location first. Now if it is less than 200 meters, we will send this information to user using context reply with HTML. Reply with HTML. Our HTML looks like this. No, not this one. I need this one. Location name. Location phone. And we should generate some link. To map Kanaka Tupogeo. I have a solution, I think. You can use this link too. Okay. Now. By or latte. Should be bold text. Bold text. Bold text. So we'll attach the latest link. This link in. This thing is to replace this data. Is location. No. We have location like this. Location coordinates like this. We should use location 1. So let's check, guys. Our debugger is working. And I send my location, got data. Nukus, Bukhara, and Tashkent. Yes, it works, guys. It works. The only thing is address of hospital. How I entered address? This one is we fixed address. We will send location. And we will get new data. Everything is perfect. Now we should format our telephone number. Let's add one more function. We'll call it format phone. It will get some value, then return some string. Return 1 to string also. Now we will format phone. Yes. 2-bit implementation of task. We will do this using regular expressions. This suits, I think. Suits. No. This doesn't suit to. I want to this replace not much method. I want to replace method of string. Replace 3 digits. Then we will take another 3 digits. If it will be 998, it will be 99 code. It is 2 digits. Then we have 3 digits. 225, then 2 digits by 2 times. Then we will format it like in 998, 989, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we should export this format phone. Now we will make some refactoring. We will call this like library, then use library distance, library format phone new. Now when we send location from our from my smartphone, I will get more accurate phone number. The only thing, we should add one space here before plus. So that's all. Now we have all data because the distance comparing is not clear. 2000, I don't know what is it, maybe kilometers. Let's make our comparison radius a little bit small. For example, 100 kilometers. Then we will request. Let's start bot again. I will send my location from my. Then it shows my location. The nearest location is Andijon, but it's not true. But it's not true. 5 kodmuş. Uy. Da 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 da. Why is this guy thinks the nearest address is unknown? Maybe I have error in my data. Yes, if you remember, I have put here Bukhara address, Bukhara location. I forgot to change the address of Naqshband. I copied data from Bukhara. I forgot to change the name of polyclinics. It was Bahawad Naqshband. It was third polyclinics. Now it is phone number. Number here. So the next thing is adding one more hospital from Bukhara, to be sure that our code is working. Everything is Bukhara. I thought maybe add from Gizduan. It's a little bit far from Bukhara, but in Bukhara it's 2 polyclinics. Added phone. Result olmuş köçesi. Here is its coordinates. I go to my file and write down coordinates. The last thing is adding is the one some location to be sure that too far place isn't included, even if in Bukhara. Так. So let's check, guys. Let's check. Start again my boat. I'll send my location from my smartphone. Then I will get this one. Alpomish Bahawad Naqshband. A moment, guys. My cat is calling me because he's out of he is Taskarta Hulas. Now let's one moment. I will let him enter to the room. what we should do, we should make smaller this distance, let it be 50 kilometers. I'll resend my location. Get 3 10. I'll resend my location and get okay. So it works. It sends some hospitals which is nearest to me. The thing we should do is clear additional data and send to user. After all this data sent, HTML data, we should show to user a new keyboard. Our keyboard is will be something like this. Our keyboard will be like this. Choose service. Markup keyboard. We will do this not one time. We will add 3 buttons. We will add details. We will add button help about button. So no, I don't like this. User smart about. think I removed location message, but it is writing still. Maybe it hasn't restarted. Right now I see it has restarted. To change. Okay. Something went wrong. Something wrong. We should wait all this message to be sent. Then send this message. Let's choose send. Let's choose a service. Then we will get this keyboard when we click on about. Then user clicks on about button. It will reply. Context. Have a nice day. Product of have a nice team. So let's check product of have a nice team. That's all, guys. Our vaccine centers working. When we send location, our location, it will show vaccine centers. But why this is not sending the addresses? Because I have too little distance. In configuration. Now it sends two vaccine centers. Maybe we should do kilometers. We'll see 3. Yes, 10 was perfect. Only two vaccine centers, which is nearest. Then when when the user clicks on hospitals button, we should show the all list of hospitals. Let's make this when we get hospital list of and hospital 1, 2, let's check 1, 2, 3. That's all, guys. Today's our podcast is over right now. This boat. I will write now create GitHub repository where you will get all this code. It's called podcast prefix cast. It will be public. Then I will init git in my folder. I need git ignore file. I'll add here idea folder. I'll add here node model folder. I'll add here env folder and env file. I'll add all files. I will commit my first message. That's all. I'll set up remote. The last thing is pushing my project. Ooh. Now we have our project on GitHub. I will attach this link at the bottom of my podcast. Thank you guys for your patience. I know it was a little bit long, but I have done something useful for people. How to attach a link under the podcast. Oh, here we have a description. I'll show you YouTube Studio if you don't know. Here we can add repo and I should write down here our partners, banquabusiness.us, financial news blog here. So I promised someone to mention his project here, but I forgot. I'll attach link for Telegraph. Telegrafjs. Big thanks for developers of this awesome library. I'll attach data about vaccine centers to and bot API Telegram bot button. Use IDE. I'm going to change it after the yeah, I can add hashtags. How do you think? I think Telegram bot API Node.js code then JS and COVID. COVID tutorials JavaScript. Now it's perfect. Our partner. I was watching a video with some delay, so chat message maybe is. I know. I know. And the latest thing I should mention is our bot. Center bot Telegram. You know, guys, this bot will not work because I'm going to turn off this bot. If it doesn't work, don't surprise. And I will revoke the bot token because I have you have seen bot token, it should be secured, so this don't work too. And Shamshod, my contact is Shamshod Amolov. Check through. Yes, that's all. Thank you guys, bye bye.